Hi, this is How To's. This is the video number 15 of the MS Word series. In this video we are going to see how you can check spelling and grammar in MS Word. So, let's see how we can do this. As you can see, there are random texts written in this document. Whenever there is a misspelled word in the document, it is highlighted with this red underline as seen here. You can simply just right-click on this word and then word itself will suggest the correct spelling. Just select it and this is how you can correct the spelling. To check the grammar, go to Review, and then go to Spelling Check and Grammar, and it will then highlight all the changes that needs to be done. Click on Change All, and your document will be corrected. So, this is how you can check spelling and grammar in Word. Thank you, hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video.